Ogbongelicious people, how una dey oh, my correct correct people. Now una country sister Jedidiah Morin oh, I don land oh, I don show again oh. Today matter na about this SS3 student when in video go viral this some time ago say he proposed to im babe. Immediately they write SS3 exam, that is WAEC. My people, now what for WAEC oh. So this gentle boy, this fine boy where they waka dey go now, and this one I dey watch for this video clip. They say reports come to we the social media amebo say as they finish exam, now he come propose to in girlfriend. Oh, the girl come happy. Body come sweet and like sugar. Body come sweet and well, he come accept the proposal. So this video come go viral. Say wetin dey happen? Wetin dey play? So now the boy now they say the girl papa, the girl papa go arrest oh, the girl papa go arrest the boy, my people. No be small thing oh, hey God. So well, the thing wey we say we go see for this country, we never see am finish oh, honestly, we never see am finish. So hey, I no even know as I want my country people, how una see this whole matter? Because this small boy and this small girl, for me oh, na infatuation dey worry them. They no even know wetin life dey talk about. But the cocoa of the matter now be say, why police, why the boy papa go arrest this boy now? Na be the thing wey be say I no know. Wetin be the reason wey make am arrest am? Na love na him say him love your daughter and him propose. And your daughter collect the proposal. That is he accept. As a good father for me, wetin this man supposed to do na him daughter, na him for treat the daughter fuck up oh. If for treat the girl well, if for wetin if for do be say, if for call this him daughter to order, talk better sense into her, advise her. Una see this thing wey this girl papa do he can't make the whole thing I'm not just tell you, like he can't make the man look very yeyecious for my eye. Because why I say he look very yeyecious for my eye be say, pikin wey be say go get home training, pikin wey be say get home training, if you give your daughter good home training, he supposed to know say this stage when he never reach am for marriage matter. Two of them for me na infatuation. They just dey fantasize about life. They just dey fantasize about the whole thing. Because if you look these two teenagers when they see so, they no know wetin life talk. Okay, now una dey propose to each other say una get house, abi the boy dey work, abi wetin. I mean the whole thing look very comic. It dey make me dey laugh because yeah, for them na very serious matter oh. Dem serious for this matter wey be say dem dey do so. And the girl really, for the guy mind she don see correct husband. The thing sweet am. See the way he jump, he happy. See the whole thing wey be say e come spoil for the whole matter Nigeria police come for their hand. Nigeria police at times I no know wetin dey worry una sef. Okay, now wetin una dey arrest this boy for now? Now me I want to ask. My people, more na chook mouth for this matter. More na ask this Nigeria police. Wetin dem dey arrest this boy for now? You propose to get say you wan marry am. Propose no mean say you want to marry her immediately oh. Two of una don already make up una mind say una go marry in future. Na just small children thing dey worry them. Maybe the boy now, this one wey they just finish secondary school, by the time they don't really see the main thing wey be say life they talk about, the girl self no go even look the boy face. The boy no go look the girl face. The two of them, if they see themselves, they go feel they laugh. Or if he work out in future, say yes, the thing fit work out for them. Now the truth be that. So, but the thing wey be say where come they scatter my brain now be say, I want to know why police arrest this boy. The offense wey be say dem go say in commit now. Abeg go my country people. Una know say person no dey know finish oh. Person no dey know finish. I no dey know finish. So make you write for your comment section. Let me know wetin you feel. Wetin be the possible charges wey be say police go charge this boy now. I mean na intimidation now I no understand. Because for me these two people, now this boy na small boy. If you know, I know sure they never reach 18 years. Yeah, secondary school people know they quick finish school. People they quick finish school these days. Highest this boy go 15 or 16 years. The girl the same age when them be. So two of them na student, na small small children. They never reach 18 years wey be say you go say if dem commit crime now you go take them to go prison on one thing. If you look at this whole thing, but for me, the girl papa now dey blame for this whole thing. I will come to the boy own later. Make I finish with the girl papa before I go enter the boy own too. The girl papa wey be say he look finish come go dey arrest this boy. Na me I no understand. No say internet no dey lie, because in future now this boy, we no know whether this boy go be millionaire or na true be billionaire or one thing. We no know. So when tomorrow now, if this boy life don better now, they come bring out this video. If I actually say you no come marry your daughter, maybe in future you come marry another wife and you come be billionaire, they play this video say, this boy when they finish secondary school, he actually proposed to this girl, and papa come arrest her, and this all those kind of story. Caution your daughter, caution your daughter. And this small boy, where as you small reach so, you no know wetin you go think for your life. Now woman na don't date this your Mendola Oblancata. As you small, you never even face life, you don't know. And if you see them, this one they stay with him mama, this one they stay with him papa. So the whole thing look very very funny to me. So for the man to go look finish, come go arrest, carry police go they arrest this boy, it don't make sense. It no jail at all. It no just make sense for me. It no make sense, because all these things are small children things, small children things. And maybe before this man now carry police go they arrest this boy now, maybe him don't look and see say the boy self they no get money, this that. So him go fit. So people come they say na intimidate, now in they intimidate them. Say which kind thing be that one. So make I read some of the comments where people they comment for comment section. Somebody say there is something fundamentally wrong with this country. That is why you see all this drama. People don't seem to know their right from left anymore. People can't define what's the right priority to pursue or at a given time. The value system have totally collapsed, and Nigeria no longer seems to know their rights and how to apply them. On this basis, all these players in this drama are wrong. The boy who made the proposal, the girl who accept, her father, and the police that made the arrest are all wrong. Exactly. Both police, both papa, both the girl papa, all of them, they really do some kind. I don't feel. I don't know as I want to explain this kind kamuka doings wey be say dem do for here. How you go just look finish, come go dey arrest the boy? Wetin the boy, which crime the boy commit? If e be say you train your children well, your daughter, your daughter suppose know say this kind no go as see am sef. Your daughter, even for your daughter to even accept the whole thing sef, na im go make you sef no fit arrest this boy, because after I don propose, assuming say this video they come find out say the girl no accept am, if for be two different things. See she dey even dey jump for, dey happy. That means she accept am, knowing that fully well say he really love this boy, he really love am, for am to accept this boy. But the whole thing wey be say we need to talk for this whole matter na the counseling aspect. We need to work on these children of these days. They need to work on them very well. You wey be say you carry police go dey arrest this boy now, you go dey arrest this boy, say make dem come go jail and make he come go serve for jail. Say wetin you do your daughter? I never see where person propose to person and still no. I never see that one at all. So I no see any crime wey this boy commit, honestly. The only crime wey be say the boy commit be say im parents no train am well, he no get home training. And the girl sef, you wey go arrest the boy, you sef I no think say you train your daughter well, because me, one thing wey be say I know be say this whole thing about the Nigerian police, because when the girl papa actually go police station to go make statement say he want to arrest this boy, wetin he tell them before they come give am police say go arrest this teenage boy? Wetin he tell them? He tell them say the girl, if to say the girl, if the boy even don already give your pikin belle, that one na different thing. He no give am belle. this kamuka proposal wey be say dem do, wey be say tomorrow now all of them, this one go enter university, this one go enter. When the boy reach university, you go see correct girl wey set. When the boy girl reach university, you go see correct. They go outgrow this thing. All this thing na infatuation and fantasy. When we dey like them, this teenage age, na so e dey do person. You go get some kind people wey be say you go get crush for. All of us, we went through this stage now. For class, you go just dey admire one of your classmates. You go just dey look and dey fantasize. E do everybody. Me wey be say I dey talk this thing, I get my own crush when I dey secondary school. E never do me reach to the extent of, because the kind discipline wey our parents give us, e never do us to the extent of to reach to that level wey be say, even if you dey fantasize for your mind, say you like this person, you feel like say tomorrow you go like to, you know that kind of thing. Now you never reach to you never get that guts. Who born you, who you be, wey be say you go just go come. If I nowadays children, I get guts. And now this social media era, now I just dey see all these things dey happen, because now wetin all these children dem dey see for inside the internet, wey be say dem go see a man go propose give a girlfriend, all those kind things. Now they don dey practice. So now wetin just dey happen, now they just dey practice. You know say nowadays children, they are highly exposed. You know, be like during our time, wey be say when we dey secondary school, handset never come out that time. Now there's see where and pioneer, now we dey play. We just when we don't play 10 finish now those way when now we dey take the relax ourselves. But now students go get WhatsApp group, even down to JSS1 students, JSS2, all of them get WhatsApp group wey be say dem dey take the talk. I never see this kind thing. In fact, I never see this kind thing for my life before, whereby the kind things wey be say just dey happen, a person no just know how they wan take talk this matter. Honestly, the children of these days, dem too open eye. Their own open eye no be here. Their own open eye. And all this computer, all this internet, na im don spoil them finish. Na im don dabaru them finish. Sote pikin go just look finish. Only wetin dey think na how I wan take marry woman. Like say if dem give am this girl make e marry, e go fit stay. Alright, my people, I think una see am say na adolescent age na im just dey worry them. For me, e never reach for make them come call olakpa say make dem come take arrest the boy. E never reach that level. All these children, na wetin dem need na serious counseling. The man make e go counsel im daughter, counsel am very well. All this kind thing, e no just make sense at all. E no gel. As you arrest this boy now, as e be say e go carry olokpa take carry this boy now, wetin dey try to do now, for me, I just feel say all this kind thing na intimidation. Wetin e suppose to do be say e go call im daughter. If when e don advise im daughter finish, e go still call the boy, advise her. All these kind children na to sit them down, talk sense into am. As im dey now, all these children na education. They need serious education to educate them very, very well concerning wetin dem dey call marriage. Dem no know say marriage na responsibility. Dem too say marriage na to use fish drink garri, or dem too say marriage na to use groundnut soak garri. Marriage no be like that. Marriage comes with a lot of responsibility. Now wetin dem go tell these children, say you, this boy wey be say you look finish, you as this your age now, you don dey think of marry. If for example now say dem give you this girl make you marry, only 1 month, 2 of una go dey together, the thing don tire you. Only when you go really know the really life of all this thing, now when maybe the girl can't get belle, can't born. Now that time, by the time you buy pampers for only 1 month, you go know wetin samba dey talk. Then you go know say your brain go come reset. You go know say wetin I enter so na another thing. So all these children are just to counsel them, talk to them. Even the girl self, the papa go sit and down, go tell am say, my daughter, you know wetin dem dey call marriage. Marriage comes with a lot of responsibility. Leave all those things wey be say you dey do. I understand wetin dey worry you. Na infatuation na im dey worry you, my daughter. See, this boy, when you see am in the next 3 years, you no go like am, he no go like you. Una go outgrow this stage one. All the hormone wey dey una body now, dey do una porina. Na so e just dey do. I don't know why parents wey be say no say im pass through adolescent age, wey be say e suppose to know wetin go tell im pikin, come go dey arrest the boy. I don't know the kind parents wey be say we get these days. I don't understand. During our time, our parents, then set our brain they reset. You get some kind things where be say you go. You get some kind things where be say you go do like this. Nobody go tell you. Eh? If you train your pikin very well, train your pikin very well. Only the if you, in fact, I not just know as I won't take express myself for this whole thing. When this boy papa go do, because person, I mean this girl papa, because person when he be say train him daughter well, train your pikin very well. Your pikin self go tell the boy say abeg o, no my papa go vex o, e never reach o. E show say the papa of this girl no dey talk to this girl. The mama self no dey talk to them, no dey talk to her, because if you dey talk to your daughter, if una dey communicate, you for don find out say see so thing. Na the girl na im go even tell you say how im dey feel about so boy o. Before you know, you go advise the boy, the girl. The same thing to this. That is why parents, as a parents, we need to dey very close to our children. Honestly, we need to dey very close to our children, because this whole thing dey very very embarrassing or somehow. Then the olokpa, Nigeria olokpa, I hail una no be small. Once they just come police station, give una small change, una go just dey do like say una no get sense. Una look finish, una come go dey carry this boy dey go station. Wetin una wan go do am now? Una wan go jail and say he commit which crime? Say if person propose to person, say he want to marry person, na come crime. No be proposal. I never give your pikin belle. I just say I like am and I go love to marry am in future. No be say na. We just dey finish secondary school. I don engage you. Maybe one day sef, if the girl don wear the ring tie, I go just tell the boy say abeg come carry this your ring o. I no do again. Na so you go just do them for body that time. The girl go say abeg, I no do again o, come carry your ring. So the girl papa wrong. The girl papa wrong well. Why the boy, he no know wetin he dey do. For me na teenage. If this boy now commit any crime, say he no dey go jail o, because he never reach that age. If una no know, make you know. Na the truth be that he never reach that age. So na so it just be, my people. Alright, so my people, now here I won't stop. If you be say you never subscribe to my channel, I beg make you be part of this channel. If you be saying that today be the first time you dey see me, I beg, this na my channel o. Na Jedidiah Amorim be my name. I be Nigerian YouTuber wey based for Delta State. Make you be part of this channel. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.